ఈ మ్యామ్ ఈ కాన్వర్జేషన్ ఇది మాట్లాడిన విధానం అంతా వన్ థింగ్ ఐ రియలీ అడ్మైర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కమ్యూనికేషన్.
ఓకే
మేబీ అది మీ ట్రైనింగ్ నుంచి ఆర్ సంథింగ్, బట్ మీ ఇంగ్లీష్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ రియలీ అడ్మైర్. టెల్ మీ ద టాప్ 3 థింగ్స్ వన్ షుడ్ లెర్న్ టు స్పీక్ లైక్ యూ.
You must have my daddy. Which I won't give anybody else. Anyway, I'm a naval officer's daughter. And my dad is from Anakapalli, but a naval officer. So by the time I was born, he was already a naval doctor in the naval services. And I think he understood, whether he understood or not, I don't know, but he knew that communication, not language, communication, clarity of words is something which is beneficial for expression, for connecting and doing it. Probably he was a good doctor. Those days they didn't, even before they look at a patient, they would touch, they would look in the eyes, open your mouth, look at your tongue, heartbeat, knees. My dad did that. So that there was clarity in it. So he was that kind of a person as a doctor, I'm saying. But as a father, he did not even look at us like we were a boy or a girl, whether we were children. He just knew whatever he spoke, we should understand. Whether this is an afterthought I'm talking about so many years later because it's your question. He knew that if I am 8 years, how to speak to an 8-year-old, I guess, because I always understood him. And usually in the services, they always put their children in Kendra Vidyalayas, because you stop school here, you join the next school class, same class there, and what they taught here and what they taught is no different. Only teachers different, classmates are different. But my father always put up in us into convent schools. Why he did it, I never asked. But I think that is what made me comfortable in this language or any language. I am very good even in silence because I am in the tribal areas. I don't know their languages. అలాగే మాట్లాడేస్తాను, చాలా మాట్లాడతాను.
అయితే యాక్టింగ్ స్కిల్స్ కూడా వచ్చు.
అయ్యో ఎందుకు రావు, పాడేస్తాను, ఆడేస్తాను, అన్నీ చేస్తాను.
సో అగైన్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఇంగ్లీష్, మీకు అదర్ ఇంకా ఏ భాషలు వచ్చు మీకు?
Hindi, Telugu, Bengali, bits of Gujarati, Tamil.
Again, coming back to your English speaking, communication.
Yes.
Top 3 skills that one should learn to speak like you.
For me, it is not just English. For me, it is any language. For any language, first thing is, what are we speaking? Why are we speaking? Whom are we speaking to? What are we planning to deliver? If this is there in your mind, you will organize the right words. The same thing if I'm talking to a little boy. I can't be speaking about anything in a different way. I'll first put myself down and I will speak. So what does it? This plan. The plan. You don't have to be a hi-fi in a language. You don't have to be so good with your vocabulary, because your language and communication is only to that audience, to that person, to this group, to that community. It is not got to do with how much do I know in the dictionary. Who cares? That's communication. Forget language. Then the language automatically comes.
How do you articulate your thoughts and present your message?
Because I am a speaker, it is immaterial. You are the listener, which is most important. I am very good speaker. Go speak to the wall. Oh, I'm damn good. Speak to the mirror. Very good. Who cares? The whole idea of communication is who's listening, who's understanding, who's taking away, who's bothered about what you're saying. Is there something important? That matters. If that doesn't matter, what is the point? I know the entire dictionary. So what? Go to the mirror and keep doing it, yeah.
So you say the listener is important
Yes.
in a communication.
And if that listener is not, you're not bothered, your communication will be very poor. Your direction of communication. You will have lot of husband and wives fighting because she's opened the fridge. మీరు పెట్టారా అండి లోపల ఫ్రిడ్జ్ లోపల నీ గొంతుకి వెళ్తుంటే ఆయనకి ఎలా వినిపిస్తుంది? And he will go and tell, my wife is such a poor communicator. Why don't you come and tell a fridge మాట్లాడొద్దే నాతో వచ్చి మాట్లాడు? So it is not language. It's that. It's communication.
And third,
The third one is, do I matter?
if you don't matter, leave the communication. Leave
No,
that.
but no, not that. Do I matter? This whole engagement that we're doing, you can ask your questions, I can do my answers, but do I matter? Because you have an audience. This whole audience is going to listen to me, you asking, and you chose me to be here. That matters. So I could have used like Shashi Tharoor, deadly words, but then it's a joke anyway. That's not the point of why it is.
I would sit with a dictionary. I'm like, what?
Exactly. And before you finish it, you'll be laughing because you've forgotten what the next word was. So that's not, what matters is this engagement. So it is not you and me and me and you. It's this entire audience who's listening to us. That matters. Your podcast matters. Abhilasha matters. This sitting matters. That is what matters.
Amazing. I think these are the top 3 skills that one should learn. Not just to speak like you, but in general to be confident.
No, why not speak like someone? Because you learn to be like that.
Yes.
But then you have to know, why is that someone good? Like someone, you can't be like someone. Oh, that lady speaks like this. That man does like that. That's the point.
How important is body language in communication?
Very important. Extremely important. I am a king and I can't do like this. No, I am a king. I have to be like a king. So definitely a body language matters.
How do I develop on body language then?
How do I develop? See, one thing is, body language is not something you put in a cupboard and take out. It is within you. So now you may be sick, you may be tired, you don't want to go there, but the person has pressed the bell. You open the door. They want to meet you just for 5 minutes for something important. నాకు బాగలేదు, నాకు ఒంట్లేదు అన్న బదులు 5 minutes లోపల నుంచి ఒక ఎనర్జీ తీసి వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు వచ్చారో నువ్వు అది మాట్లాడేసి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, టుడే ఐమ్ లిటిల్ డౌన్, బట్ ఎనీవే థ్యాంక్స్, ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ వాట్ యూ వాంటెడ్, క్లోజ్ ద డోర్ అండ్ నాకు ఎత్తుకొచ్చు. So only 5 minutes you have to give your body language. It's not all the time. So that's the important part. With whom are we, where we are? That matters. Their body language matters.
అంటే అంటారు కదా బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే యునో ఐ కాంటాక్ట్ సరిగ్గా ఉండాలి, అటు ఇటు చూస్తే ఇట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ద అదర్ పర్సన్ ఇస్ నాట్ లిస్నింగ్ టు యూ. ఇట్లాంటి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్
Exact word you said, textbook. Yeah, they are telling you textbook, but at the same time, if I want to talk to you, I might as well start doing this. Why are we looking at each other? So even a child knows it. It's because trainers don't have subjects, they will talk like this, which is important. And yes, a lot of people don't talk properly. They don't look at each other. They don't modulate their words. Enunciation is poor. Pronunciation is wrong. Lot of incorrect words because they want to sound very big. Vocabulary, dictionary is good. So when they misuse the words, so it becomes, I know a gentleman who is his English is not very good, but he would say, now we will change. అదేంటి సార్ మీరు ఎందుకు నౌ వి విల్ చేంజ్ ఎందుకు? మరి అదే కదా నా వాళ్ళు అడుగుతున్నారు, వాళ్ళు మారమంటున్నాం కదా, వాళ్ళు మారమంటారు, మీరెందుకంటే మారిపోతున్నారు మధ్యలో. నౌ వి విల్ చేంజ్ అంటాడు. వై యూ వాంట్ దెమ్ టు చేంజ్? బట్ సో దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ we are not calculate. Communication is calculation. It's perfect calculation.
and it's not something that you can
Like
develop.
yesterday, for example, I'm giving my mate, she's been there with me for some time. I always like to sit with her and give her her salary. Yesterday it was not my home, it was my mother's home. I had to give salary. The usual place where we sit in was not there. So she quickly sat down and she said, అమ్మ వద్దు వద్దు, నేను కూడా నేల మీద కూర్చొని, ఎందుకమ్మా మీరు నా దగ్గర కూర్చొని అలాగే ఎందుకు ఇవ్వాలి? సో ఐ సెడ్, ఏమి నువ్వు మంచం మీద కూర్చొని నేను కింద నుంచి నేను ఇలాగిస్తాను. వద్దమ్మా, అయితే మీరు ఇక్కడే కూర్చోండి. ఎందుకు నన్ను ఇక్కడ కూర్చోమన్నా? మీరు నేను ఒక్కటే, నేను మీకు చేస్తున్నాను, మీరు నాకు డబ్బులు ఇస్తున్నారని కాదు, మీరు నేను ఒకటే ఈ సంబంధంలో. ఐ డెంట్ టెల్ హర్ టు సే దాట్. నా పని మనిషి సేయింగ్ మీరు నేను ఒకటే. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ డెలివర్డ్ వాట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టెల్ హర్. నువ్వు నేను ఒకటే. ఆ డైలాగ్ would have sounded so stupid if I say నువ్వు నేను ఒకటే. But I did not say it. I sat down like I always do. But she said it. That's it.
వెరీ నైస్. సో మీకు చాలా భాషలు వచ్చు, బట్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇస్ నాట్ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ లాంగ్వేజ్.
It is dependent on language. Language is also an important
Like
part.
it's like
It's a
communication
combination. It's the combination. You are already cutting it off. Moga bhasha mande. We are communicating. Language is important. But the whole idea is the structure and the calculation and the people we are talking to. That all. This combination is the calculation I'm talking about. Don't remove anything.
ఈ కాన్వర్సేషన్ నుంచి ఐ థింక్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ స్పీకింగ్ ఆర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ నుంచి, ఎస్పెషలీ ద కమ్యూనికేషన్ నుంచి. బట్ వన్ థింగ్ దట్ రియలీ మూవ్డ్ మీ is that health challenge, that strength that you had when you faced that health challenge. So I think it's a little topic that I want to share. I want people to know, because you had that strength even at such situations. So cancer ani first time
Why are you scared to say the word?
I don't know. I
Yes,
think
sir. Say it boldly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have cancer. Like that.
నాకు క్యాన్సర్ తో అంటే నేను
I know. The
ఎలా-
society makes you, pushes it
yeah,
in a way.
it's something like you got it, then your life is done. Like అలా చూస్తారు.
And that is why I'm joking. It is not funny.
It is.
I have had ovarian cancer. I was diagnosed in May 2023. I've had 12 plus chemotherapies. I've had 2 very, very, very intense big operations. It was a health challenge, but by now you've already understood. Life has a combination of days. Okay. So if I am very good as a businesswoman, as a mom, as a grandmom, as a partner, as a daughter, as everything, as in life, so you're only talking about the good things, nice things, successful things, or whatever. My ability of being a deadly person or a good person or a however you want to label adjective is the way I receive the not so fitting, challenging, minusing, failing, unsuccessful, so-called decisions which went wrong after some time, as they say it. All that is my real ability. So I am a product of this entire thing. So, when she was good. Now with cancer, look at her. I am not doing a drama. It is not a drama. We have that inner strength. You look for it, you will have it. It is there. As you said, cancer is fearful. Yes, people will get it. Some of them have death. But remember, I am a doctor's daughter. And my father was a neurosurgeon. Every day, every moment, he was treating someone in dire straits. But my father smiled. Not because he had pain. It is because he gave them hope. He gave them health. He gave them the joy of connectedness. I trusted my doctors the same way. More than that, my family embraced me like nobody ever. My sister, my daughter, my brother from a distance, and my husband, I don't think he doesn't have to hug me. He always hugs me. So that is what it is. And the technology that is happening in the hospitals, I think I was gifted cancer. Whether you like it or not, I don't care. But I will tell you, I was gifted it. Why? To understand the criteria of life, which very few people might understand. I think they do, but to me, it opened a new chapter. It opened a new lifestyle. It opened technology. Not a machine. I did not go inside. I went into this one, I went into that one for x-rays, IV fluids. Even now it is dark here. Patch. How much I have been through. But I was always in awe. Wow. Look at technology. Look at the support system. Look at the hospitals. That is what. In fact, for your information, I'm going through chemo even now. 8 chemos, I'm finished third. I've had a severe side effect. I don't know what my next thing is. But it doesn't dull you. And I refuse to speak about cancer because I'm a good speaker. Come and speak. I will not. I will only speak for my hospital, for my doctor. That's it. I am not a PR agency for cancer. I don't.
How did you maintain or balance or not lose your mental and emotional strength while all this was happening?
Why should I lose? I always have it. Where is loss?
I mean,
Mental energy is
people
always there.
break down.
It's the physical breakdown. Mental and emotional will be strong. The physical one overpowers for lots. For me, it is there. Unte sasta no. But till I am there, I will be like that only.
ఈ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తర్వాత మీకు ఏమైనా లైఫ్ మీద పర్స్పెక్టివ్ చేంజ్ అయిందా?
Never. No, I've always lived one way. I don't know. There's no perspective. It's that moment how you take it. Moment. You stick here. Be here.
అదర్ క్యాన్సర్ పేషెంట్స్ కి అండ్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీస్ కి మీద ఏదైనా
I am a medical clown. Not now. I've been a medical clown since 5 years, where I dress like a clown and I go with my very dear friend Meenakshi and Dr. Anantram and Dr. Meenakshi started it in Vizag, and I've done about 5 or 6 times with them, where I wear clown clothes and I go talk to sick children and all that. I've done that quite a bit before. Now also I'm willing to do it, but now my perspective of looking at pain, bedside, understanding health is way more than anybody, I think. So on June 4th, 2024 is World Cancer Day. They asked me and I sat on a sari. They did press conference and everything. We did it all. So before the press conference started, lots of cancer patients were called. And I went around everybody telling, and I did not tell them I'm a cancer patient. I just asked them their names, Vepudacharu, ఏమైంది అన్నీ అడిగాను. అంతే ఈ ప్రెస్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ అయిపోగానే లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోయి క్లౌన్ డ్రెస్ వేసుకొని వచ్చాను బయటికి. సో వీళ్ళ పేరు ఉషా, తన పేరేమో గణేష్, వీడి పేరేమో దినేష్, ఇంకోడెవడో రాజగోపాల్. అందరి పేర్లు తెలుసు. ఏంటి రాజగోపాల్ ఎప్పుడు వచ్చావు ఏమిటి అని అనేసరికి అందరూ పక్కుమని నవ్వడమే. దే డోంట్ నో ఇట్ ఇస్ మీ ఓన్లీ.
Okay.
So I completely changed the atmosphere and we danced like clowns, and all the cancer patients came on this floor and they danced. They've never done that before. So that's the
అసలు ఇంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అంటే యాజ్ యూ సెడ్ దేర్ ఆర్ లైఫ్ ఇస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ అప్స్ అండ్ డౌన్స్ అందరి జీవితాల్లో అవుతాయి.
అవ్వకపోతే టెరబుల్. స్పైస్ లేకపోతే ఇంకేంటి? I refuse to take out without lows and ups and downs. Has to have. It's at elevation, slipping down, falling, everything. It has to have.
ఇంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్
It's there in everybody. It's there in
It's just that they
everyone.
don't realize. or they don't
No,
bring
they
it out?
pack it up in a box, put it somewhere, and throw the key away and say, I have confidence problem. ఏమి అక్కడ ఉందేటి actually you're very dense in the con. You're conning confidence. You're dense with confidence.
సో అందరి దగ్గర ఉంది కాన్ఫిడెన్స్.
Of course.
మరి ఎందుకు వాళ్ళు లేదు అని అంటారు, లైక్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేదు?
అది అర్థమే అవ్వలేదు వాళ్ళకి. ఒక్కటే పడేయాలి ఎక్కడ లేని కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ రెండో చేయవచ్చు పట్టని వేస్తారా లేదా? అప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్?
ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ విత్
ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్.
ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ దట్ యు నీడ్ ద రైట్ మూమెంట్ టు బ్రింగ్ ఇట్ అవుట్.
ఇప్పుడు నేను చేయలేను నేను నీకు బైక్ ఇస్తాను, నువ్వు నేర్చుకుంటేనే నీకు బైక్ ఇస్తాను అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్? ఎవ్రీబడి కెన్ ఓన్లీ టీచ్, బట్ టు డ్రైవ్ యూ హావ్ టు డూ. I want to be a swimmer, I want to be a trekker, you want to do it, but only when you try it, you do it, na? So it's all there with us. We don't attempt.
At this age, now you're around
What
70.
is this age?
No, your age I'm talking
What
about.
age?
Biological age.
Oh,
So now you're around 70. What?
68.
68.
I love being 70 actually. But because it's easy, I can keep on saying 70, 70, 70 for another 3 years, no?
సో లైఫ్ గురించి ఏం తెలుసుకున్నారు? ఇన్ని అక్కడ ఒక బిజినెస్ చేశారు, ఇటు నరేషన్, ఇటు ట్రైనర్, ఇటు మదర్, డాటర్,
అందరూ అన్నీ ఉంటారు.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
Everybody is everything, yeah.
What did you learn about life?
What is there to learn? You just live your life. Live the day. Do what you want, how you want. Choose what you want to do. Yeah, and you feel angry about something, you don't like something, voice it. Say it. Don't be afraid. Be okay. That's it.
And
It's always in the day, it's always in the moment, it's always in the present that matters. Period.
live in the present moment.
Just be in the, don't even live, be in the moment. Because you're either be, that means you're alive or you're dead. So choose, you're alive, na? To be alive. Why you're neither alive or half dead? Enduku? Be alive.
లైఫ్ లో మీ మంత్రాస్ ఏంటి?
I like that. Very nice. My mantra was long ago. I saw an ad, British Airways ad, which said, "When was the last time you did something for the first time?" I read it. I liked it, and then suddenly that became contemplative. What did I do for the first time? For me, life was always many first times because my reach marketing was like this. My promotional agency was like that. So I have done. So I said, oh, this sounds good. So this must have been how many years? Maybe 30 plus years ago. And I think from then till now, I wake up in the morning and I always think, when is the last time I did something for the first time? Like today, I'm speaking to you. It's the first time. So I always have something first time. If I don't have something first time, I'll have a new flavor of a ice cream. When was the last time you had a blueberry ice cream? I never had. So I'll go buy a blueberry ice cream, but I will at least prove the fact that I did something for the first time.
That way you keep yourself active.
There is no way. You live it. There is no pattern. There is no way. There is no plan. Nothing. Because in that ice cream, that shop will be closed. No. You'll find it. You live it.
Before we end this podcast, one message that you want to tell to our Abhilasha audience, to the present generation.
I don't look at generation, present, past or anything. We are all an amalgamation of period of time. My thing is that you are important in this entire universe. You are special. If you must share your speciality, share your uniqueness, be part of the community, be part of the engagement, be part of everything, and prove that yes, I am special.
And what do you want to be remembered as?
Jai Shri Hatangadi. That's it. That's it.
Not associated like businesswomen, narrator, that there's no.
No, I'm the combination of everything. I'm a great collage. I am Jai Shri Hatangadi. That's it.
Ma'am, talking to you felt like a life full of strength, confidence, and living in the moment. మీ వర్డ్స్లో కామ్నెస్ ఉంది, మీ జర్నీలో ఫైర్ ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ విత్ మీ అభిలాష. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Gayatri. In fact, you took the ride with me beautifully well. I'm also glad that I opened up, shared with you, and I hope your audience really enjoy going through my life. And yes, you must compliment Gayatri. Although she's very early at what she started, she's doing a darn good job. Best wishes to all of you, and best wishes to you, Gayatri.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this episode of Abhilasha. If this touched you, inspired you, or made you think, please do us a small favor. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel Abhilasha, Stories from Heart, Mind, and Voice.